How to use V2BOX. I'm going to tell you how to use V2BOX to connect a V2 server on your phone. V2BOX is a mobile client that works with V2 a tool used to bypass internet restrictions and improve privacy. First, download the V2BOX app. It's available on the App Store for iOS or through third-party sources on Android. Once installed, you'll need a V2 server configuration. This usually comes in the form of a vmess or vless link or a QR code. If you already have one, open V2BOX and tap the plus icon to add a new server. You can scan the QR directly or paste the config manually. After that, the server will appear in your list. Tap it, then hit connect. Your internet traffic will now be routed through the V2 node.